Wagwan me YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna make some twice baked potato loaded with bacon and cheese. So here we have 3 small potatoes, and we're just using a fork to make some holes into the potato so that the steam can penetrate the potato easily so it can be cooked. After piercing the potato, we're going to use some melted butter to spread onto the potatoes. Afterwards, we're going to wrap each potato individually into aluminum foil, place in the oven, and allow them to bake until they're soft or tender. Okay, so your potatoes should look something like this. So next we're going to preheat the oven, and I'm just going to put it at about 200 degrees Celsius. I however went ahead and increased the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, and then we're going to place them into the oven. Please remember to put on your mitten. It wasn't hot at this moment because we just started to increase the temperature into the oven. So after an hour and about 20 minutes, the potatoes are ready. So we check them from time to time, right? And we're just going to see what's going on. As you can see, I'm just pressing on it to see if it is soft. And however, it is indeed soft, so it is cooked. So you want to ensure that you use a thong, because at this moment the potatoes them hot. Can't say nothing else, the potato them hot. So you have to be careful because they will burn you guys. You can see the steam rising from it. So I'm just cutting the potato into half. Then I'm going to scoop out the inside and place it into a bowl. So that's what we're about to do. Guys, look at that steam. You see what me I talk about? Hot. Comment down below and tell me what you'd enjoy having this baked Irish potato with. You don't want to have it with some butter alone? Comment down below and tell me what you have it with. I want to hear you. Comment down below in the comment section. And guys, don't forget to turn on your notification to all so you don't miss a video, because you might think that we're not uploading, but we are. But you need to turn on the notification to all so you can be notified whenever we post videos. So what we're about to do is to scoop out the Irish potato and place in a bowl. So after scooping the Irish potato, we're going to go ahead and add some butter. So you know, so once the Irish potato is still warm, and when you add the butter, it just melt right in. You just mix it and let everything get fully blended. So when I'm making some pasta like Irish potato pasta, or also some macaroni or something like that, I like to add onion, grated onion. So what I have here is some grated onion. I also going to add a pinch of salt to taste. You can also go ahead and add black pepper if you prefer, but I didn't add any. And then you're going to blend everything fully so it can be combined. So to the crushed Irish potato, I added the grated onion. This is optional. If you don't want to add onion, you don't have to, but I love to add onion when I'm making some delicious Irish potato pasta or a meal just like this one. I'm also going to go ahead and add a tubes of scallion or green onions, and then I'm going to combine everything. Okay guys, so moving along, so we also have here some bacon, right? So we're going to fill the Irish potato cups with the mashed Irish potato. So that's what we're doing now. Once filled, you're just going to go ahead and add the cheese of your choice. This is the cheese that I'm using, so it's 4 different cheese, and then you're just going to sprinkle the cheese on top of the cups. You can add as much cheese as you like, guys, so this is where you get creative and add what you prefer or add what you want to add to your double bake or twice bake potato. So we have here the bacon, right? And you want to ensure that you chop the bacon small. So these were pre-cooked, so we cook them off camera, guys, and you're just going to load them onto the Irish potato. If you also had shrimp, you could go ahead and load it with shrimp as well. You can load it with as much cheese as you like. This is where you get creative, guys, and add as much things as you'd like on it, but don't overdo it, guys, right? And we're just going to garnish with some scallion or green onions, and we're going to place it back into the oven and bake for about 5 minutes so that the cheese can melt on top of the baked Irish potato cups. And look at this, guys, looking very mouth-watering. I can't wait for that cheese to melt, that I can dive right in, guys. Look at that. Isn't that mouth-watering and looks so yummy? Comment down below who want one of these twice baked potato loaded with bacon and cheese. Comment down below if you want one. I can send one for you. Just comment down below and tell me if you had more cheese to this, or if you enjoy this recipe, just hit that thumbs up button. Turn that thumbs up button to blue. And after 5 minutes, look at our twice baked potato. Guys, if you have some bigger potato, you can use those. You can use whatever size Irish potato you want, but if you prefer a bigger potato, you can go ahead and use it. The size doesn't matter, right? And look at our mouth-watering twice baked potato loaded with bacon. Look at the crispy bacon, guys. Me can't wait for dive in. I just want to finish talking. Guys, my mouth is running water. Look at that melted cheese. If you make it all the way to the end, I do hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. And let us see you in the comment section, and let us know how you feel about this video, and if you'd like more videos like this, easy, quick, and a simple recipe to follow. You can have this on the go when you're feeling for a snack, or you just feel like picking on something. You can have a simple and easy recipe like this. I do hope you enjoy. Let's dive in. Let's take a close-up peek of the twice baked Irish potato. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.